Welcome back, guys. So today we have a special video today for you guys. Here is the new Monument Grill's Denali series. This is their new grill that they have for 2024. It's a beauty. There's a lot of great things that it comes with this grill that you guys are really gonna love. And if you guys have been waiting for the right time, the right grill to come out for you guys to get, this is the one you guys need, and this is the one you guys have been waiting for. Let's get started. So normally when a grill comes out, there are accessories that you buy separately. Well, what Monument Grills did is on the new Denali series, it comes with accessories already included. One price and you get it all. You get the grill, you get a rotisserie, and you get a grill cover with it too. Now, having a rotisserie is one of the best things that I cannot wait to do some chicken and even add some extra twist to it. A little bit of Mexican style, you know, some pork, you know, do something like that. But there's some great ideas coming ahead. So I'm excited to try a lot of things with this new grill. There will be more videos about this. One thing that the Denali brings to the table is the Bluetooth that you guys see here. It connects to your phone. It tells you the heat that your grill is running at. Now, it has a thermometer sensor right in here that keeps track of what the inside temperature is, and you will know, and it will talk to your phone and let you know what your grill is running at. Now, one of the best things also is to have a sear station here on the side. You can grill your steak to perfection, just like you see here. It will come out delicious every single time. One of the things also that makes this Denali look so slick is the doors. Normally you have to install some door handles. With this one, it doesn't have that. It's real easy, and it makes it look nice and slick. Now, this grill is stainless steel. It's a beauty, and of course it ain't Monument Grill if it don't have no lights. And just like this one, it has the white lights. It has the red. When you turn it to high, it's red. When you turn it to low, it's orange. Now, here we are cooking some chicken strips and ribeye steak. Now, the propane, it's easy to put in and it's easy to take out. Just go ahead and slide this out, put your propane in and slide it back in, and you're good to go. So with just one purchase, you get your grill, you get the rotisserie kit, and you get a grill cover all in one. This is a 6-burner grill. So I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, this grill is the king of kings of grill. The Denali series, it's a beauty. You can't go wrong. And for everything that comes with it, just the rotisserie kit alone added, it's huge. So stay tuned for those videos for using the rotisserie kit. Oh, I can't wait for that. Having the cover in it, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the cover because I want to keep this bad boy looking good at all times. So this grill will be dropping soon. Keep an eye out. It's coming. See you guys next time.